Imran Khan has announced to bring a stringent and holistic anti-rape ordinance next week to close all loopholes. Palestine slams Pompeo reported decision to visit Israeli settlement. More than 1.3 million people have been killed by the novel coronavirus worldwide. Afghan forces capture mastermind of Kabul University attack. The UN Human Rights Chief has called for a full inquiry into possible war crime in Ethiopia. In Afghanistan, 2 Afghan soldiers were killed and 4 others injured in a bomb explosion. At least 42 people have died and 20 others are missing after Typhoon Wamko made landfall in the Philippines. 20 migrants have died in a shipwreck off the Libyan coast.